The latest addition to the Addmotor electric truck lineup, the Citytri E-310, has just made its debut, introducing a fresh appearance approach that sets it apart from its predecessors. While the Citytri E-310 displays a distinct departure in appearance, keen observers will note its striking resemblance to the popular electric XP trike, showcasing a harmonious blend of innovation and familiarity. In contrast to its predecessor, the M340 trike, which was priced at $2,999, the Citytri E-310 emerges as a more affordable option, presenting an enticing proposition for electric truck enthusiasts. Notably, this latest offering boasts higher performance specifications compared to its forebear. A noteworthy feature is its folding capability, enhancing portability and storage convenience, a practical enhancement for urban commuters and those with limited storage space. The Citytri E-310 accelerates the electric truck experience with a top speed of 32 km per hour, showcasing an impressive 10 km per hour advantage over the electric XP trike. However, it's important to note that such increased speed demands a heightened sense of vigilance and rider control to ensure safety while maneuvering. At the core of this propulsion system lies a 750 watts hub motor, strategically positioned in a manner akin to the electric XP's drivetrain. This thoughtful placement leads to a more balanced distribution of weight, further enabling the adoption of a rear differential for a dynamic two-wheel drive setup. Powering the Citytri E-310 is a substantial 20 ampere-hour battery, generously delivering up to 960 watts-hours of power. Its expansive range of 145 kilometers provides riders with the freedom to embark on extended journeys without undue worry about battery depletion. While Addmotor asserts the all-listed status of the E-310's battery, there's speculation that this certification might pertain to the individual Samsung cells within. Nonetheless, this reassures riders of a certain level of safety and quality. The truck's intriguing aesthetic is accentuated by the unique tire configuration, a larger front tire in comparison to its rear counterparts. Addmotor caters to different preferences with two distinct variants, each differentiated by wheel size. The first model features a 20-inch front tire paired with 18-inch rear tires, emphasizing stability and control. The second model, with an 18-inch front tire and 16-inch rear tires, leans towards a more compact and nimble ride, ideal for urban agility. Safety remains a priority with the inclusion of triple disc brakes, ensuring reliable stopping power even at higher speeds. The comprehensive package of features, such as a fender set, parking brake, front suspension, horn, and bell, underscores Addmotor's commitment to providing a holistic and enjoyable riding experience. With a price tag of just $1,999, the Citytri E-310 represents a remarkable value proposition, bringing premium electric truck features within reach of a wider audience. But that's not all. As an added incentive for early adopters, Addmotor sweetens the deal by offering a selection of additional accessories for those who make the wise choice to pre-order. This limited-time offer allows prospective riders to enhance their trucking experience right from the start. The Citytri E-310 pre-order period is set to conclude on August 15th, providing a clear window of opportunity for individuals eager to secure their very own piece of cutting-edge urban mobility. This deadline serves as a reminder that time is of the essence, and those who act promptly will be rewarded with not only a significant cost advantage, but also a comprehensive package of accessories that can augment the overall enjoyment and functionality of their trike. Thank you for watching this video, so don't forget to hit the like button. Have a nice day and see you soon.